How's it going, guys? Luke with Ibex. So we're here out in La Center and we're installing a metal roof. So our steps for that, number one, our substrate is sealed with high temp iso water. So any fasteners that do go through it are going to get sealed. And this is a standing seam panel. So it's a good idea to, if you want a lifetime roof where you don't have to mess with it at all, you and your kids' life, as long as you get good grade of steel or aluminum, what happens is this panel overlaps. Here's our fasteners. The standing seam part is where the other panel goes over it and locks in, which comes down here to where we gotta bend each panel to fit. And it comes and wraps around our drip edge, locks in, and then we go through with the rubber mallet, pound it down. And then you don't ever have to touch it. You don't have to mess with it. So yeah, good idea for a good solid roof that'll last you a long time.